I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play 7th Sea. To begin your adventure, gather your friends and decide who will be the game master, the storyteller who guides the narrative. The other players will create daring heroes, ready to face perilous challenges and uncover grand mysteries. This game emphasizes dramatic storytelling and collaborative world building, making every session a unique and thrilling experience for everyone involved. Creating your hero is the first exciting step in 7th Sea. You'll define their personality, their past, and their aspirations. Distribute points among 5 core traits, which represent your character's fundamental strengths. Then, choose a variety of skills, like fencing or persuasion, and select advantages that grant special abilities or connections. This process allows you to craft a truly unique and memorable character, ready for epic tales. The heart of 7th Sea's gameplay lies in its action resolution system. When your hero faces a challenge, you'll roll a number of 10-sided dice determined by your relevant trait and skill. For every 10 or higher rolled, you gain a raise. These raises are your currency for success. You spend them to accomplish your intended action, activate special abilities, or even create dramatic complications for your foes. 7th Sea thrives on dramatic storytelling and player agency. The game master presents challenges, but players have significant influence over the narrative's direction. Even when a hero doesn't achieve their immediate goal, the story doesn't stop. Instead, a dramatic consequence unfolds, pushing the plot forward in exciting ways. This system encourages bold choices and ensures every session is filled with thrilling moments and memorable character arcs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.